This is a new version of Google Camera Go. This Google Camera Go or GCam Go developed by Parrot 043. Note, Google Camera Go is in the final version and HDR isn't working properly. Google Camera Go version 1.0.2897874009. Version 2. Minimum required Android 8 Plus. Changes, added HDR selection, currently fly selection when exiting the menu. Maximum zoom 10x. Minor edits. Good luck with your photo. Go to video description box and click link. Now I show you how can you download this app. Follow the process. Please subscribe to my channel. Give like and share this video.